Hello, welcome back. It is your Wednesday morning coffee talk with the loanDepot, the one and only loanDepot Ignite Girls.
That's right.
Today we have a very controversial topic.
Very misunderstood.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah. So today we're going to be telling you a little bit about reverse mortgages and some of the myths associated with those.
So myth number one, I cannot get a reverse mortgage if I have an existing mortgage. That's actually not true. You can refinance a current mortgage into a reverse mortgage and not have a monthly payment.
Myth number two, if I take out a reverse mortgage, the lender will own my home. This is also false. Homeowners still retain title and ownership to their home, even in a reverse mortgage.
Definitely. And that's a big change.
It
Didn't used to be the case. So that's huge.
Yep.
Myth number three, there are restrictions on how reverse mortgage proceeds may be used. Also false. The money is yours to do with as you wish.
Yep.
No restrictions.
It's your equity.
Yep.
Myth number four, only low-income seniors get reverse mortgages. That's also false.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. It's actually become a very useful financial planning tool. If you're approaching retirement and in a hurry trying to pay off your house, you might decide to put it into a reverse, keep your retirement funds, your assets in the bank, and rather than drawing on those assets, you could draw on some of your equity with a reverse loan.
Yeah. Myth number, are we on five? Five. If I outlive my life expectancy, the lender will evict me. Also false. Reverse mortgage lenders put no time limit on how long you can stay in the home. So you can age in place and you're not in any danger of having to leave your home because the lender kicks you out.
And also the spouses are protected now. That was a big change. So historically, only the primary person that was on a reverse was protected. And so if they passed, the spouse might be evicted.
Mm-hmm.
That is not the case anymore. That was one of the big changes. So husbands and wives can stay in the home regardless of who's on the reverse.
Yeah, it's huge, huge. All right, myth number six, a reverse mortgage will affect my government benefits. Actually, that's false. Reverse mortgage does not affect Social Security. It doesn't affect Medicare benefits. They're non-taxable. The funds that you get out of your house is non-taxable, and that's such a huge benefit.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, myth number seven, my children will be responsible for the repayment of the loan. That is false. It is considered a non-recourse. So the borrowers that are in the home can stay until they pass. If they are upside down, no one is responsible for paying the difference. So the children could at that point decide to hand over the home if they don't want it. If there's equity, they can sell it and actually have the equity. If there is a deficit, if they're upside down, they could pay the difference if they wanted to keep the home, but that's not really very common anymore.
Myth number eight. I've heard I won't qualify for a reverse mortgage because of my limited income. So this is also a change that was made to protect reverse mortgage clients. You do have to qualify, but only for taxes and insurance and the maintenance of the home.
Mm-hmm.
So because you have no mortgage payment, you don't have to qualify for mortgage payment, but the lender will ensure that you have enough money to pay the property taxes and the homeowner's insurance each year. Or you can also set up an escrow account, as with a traditional mortgage, if you're more comfortable, or your client is more comfortable with that.
For sure.
Yep.
You know, I think there are a lot of great benefits to a reverse mortgage. You can use it to pay off debts. You can use it to live off. You can use it to travel on. You can use it to bring home health care in and age in place.
Yep.
So anybody who's really looking to downsize, move closer to family, there are people who actually do a reverse mortgage on their primary home, take the cash out, go buy a second home in a beautiful location somewhere else. So this isn't,
You know what I
this
say?
isn't your grandma's
grandmother's reverse
Right.
mortgage.
Yeah, I mean, it's really
It's
an
a financial
amazing
planning tool.
Exactly. So reach out to us today to learn more about it. We would love to help you, help your clients.
Yeah, quick note, there's also reverse for purchase.
Yes.
So if you have a buyer that, would qualify to purchase a home using a reverse, or you think that might benefit them, call us. Let's walk through it.
Definitely. And, one of the huge benefits of a reverse purchase is that, somebody who's planning to buy their home outright, they put 50-60% down, then they have that huge chunk of proceeds that they're living on.
Yeah.
They don't have a mortgage payment,
Mhm.
and it's a wonderful supplemental retirement.
Yeah.
Right, rather than having to put all that money
And
down.
then just being house poor.
Yeah.
All right.
So, yep.
Good talk.
All right.
Good talk.
Join us next time.
Cheers.
Cheers.